Let's stream OBS to Zoom. First of all, open your OBS and now we have to add our sources here. So I'm just clicking on this plus icon and here adding the display capture source and OK. And here's my display. I'm just clicking on OK. Once you added your sources, if you want, you can also add your audio sources. Click on this plus icon and here select just audio input or audio output capture and go ahead and add your sources first of all in your OBS. And now click on Start Virtual Camera. And once your OBS Virtual Camera started, go to your Zoom and click on your profile photo and just click on Settings. From your Zoom settings, select Video and Camera. Click on this drop down and here you have to select OBS Virtual Camera. After that, cross these settings pop up and then go ahead and create a new meeting or join in a meeting, and here make sure to select your camera, OBS Virtual Camera, and just click on Start. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully started to stream my OBS to my Zoom meeting.